Every day, when you wake up, you get a new chance, not a perfect one, not a guarantee one, but a chance to start again, to do better, to say what you did it to live, what hurt you. Every sunrise isn't just light, it's forgiveness. It's the word saying try again. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to show up. And maybe today you fall again. Maybe it hurt again. But maybe, just maybe, you take one step you couldn't take yesterday. You are not your fast. You're not stuck. You're still becoming. So take a breath, look around, feel the weight, lift just a little. Because today, right now, is a new page and it's your to write.